this project, you'll need safety glasses and gloves, putty knives, one thin, flexible, and one thick, rigid, a hard rubber mallet, a caulking gun with silicone, and suction cup. Windows that are sent out to the field, ship open, will be sent with silicone, pre-cut glazing bead, setting blocks, shims, and weep-hole covers attached to the frame. Apply one continuous 1/4-inch silicone bead to the center of the glazing leg around the entire frame. Wipe down glazing leg prior to applying silicone. Sealant will spread evenly as glass is installed. The setting blocks should be placed on the sill, 3 inches from each corner. Setting blocks will help reduce shearing in insulated glass unit, or IGU, seal failure. They must be placed directly under the IGU to support the weight of the glass. Set IGU on the setting blocks and center unit into the frame. Make sure the IGU is sitting completely on the setting blocks. IGU should have the low E, or tint facing, the exterior. Insert the top and bottom glazing bead, starting at the corners, about 4 inches to hold the IGU in place. Apply pressure to the IGU along the entire perimeter of the frame to spread the sealant evenly. Pound in the remaining glazing beads on all 4 sides. Next, install 2 weep-hole covers on the sill glazing bead weep slots. Perform a final inspection of the window to ensure bead is properly installed and the IGU is secure.